RIME stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether algorithm holding stock is a buy or not for me. So watch the short video till the end. So observing algorithm holdings, it is a proper bearish market, man. Like, no doubt about it. Like 20% down or so. And even like I showed you my previous video in it, like how I was bearish and whatnot. But even before this specific prediction, I mean, I was always just kind of looking to take it down. Nothing, like no ill feelings against it, just I'm following trends. I mean, context, I've done 32,000 videos and I've spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships, and as a result, the strategy has given me thousands of great predictions. And right now, I mean, if the price starts breaking up and whatnot, then probably shifting the trend, but right now it's so bearish. Like, we're here, so more like, we're just gonna clip the lows. There's a lot of liquidity here, so that's my next bias for me. It's not financial advice, but if you want to learn the strategy, click the first link in the description. There's a free newsletter.